Hi, I'm glad you stopped by the Sunbelt Rentals workshop. Today we're going to go over how to use a 1400 PSI electric pressure washer. The 1400 PSI electric pressure washer is lighter and easier to use than the gas-powered pressure washer. Before we jump in, let's review some important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, protective footwear, ear protection, and gloves. Each unit comes with a high pressure hose, a wand, and a selection of tips. You can add on additional accessories such as a garden hose, an extra 50 feet of high pressure hose, and an extension wand if needed. The smaller models like this one have a chemical injector for cleaning stubborn stains. You will need to select the correct tip to use for your project. They are color-coded white, green, yellow, and black. The colors indicate the degree of the fan when sprayed. We will start with the low-pressure black tip for use with the chemical injector. Simply attach the black tip and lock it in place. If you're planning to clean a second story, you can apply the cleaner with an extension wand so you can remain safely on the ground. Put the chemical injector hose into the chemical bottle. Attach a garden hose to the intake valve. Attach one end of the 25-foot pressure hose to the quick coupler on the machine and the other end to the wand. Plug the pressure washer into a grounded outlet. Turn on the water to the garden hose. The washer and hose will fill with water, so it's important to release excess air before starting the unit. Squeeze the trigger on the gun to release the air. Press the on-off switch to start the motor of the pressure washer. Apply the cleaning solution to the dry surface so it sticks. Switch to a different tip to rinse off the surface. You will select this tip based on the pressure needed for your cleaning task. For tough stains, you can get a little closer. When you finish, turn the on-off switch to the off position to stop the pressure washer. Squeeze the trigger to release the pressure. Remove the hose from the cleaning solution and disconnect your garden hose. Once dry, pack up the unit and hoses and return them to your local Sunbelt Rentals location. So that's it for the 1400 PSI electric pressure washer. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us again for your next job or project.